Here we got 63 Mercury Comet. I guess it's a Comet. Good guess. Smaller one, so I figured it had to be a Comet, right? Yeah, here it is, Comet 63. And you got nice red interior here. You notice how they got the little chrome buttons and all the fancy stitching like they are too cheap to put in today. And you got a 4 on the floor, another 3 on the floor. It's a 4. That was one thing that, you know, pretty much very common to see standard transmissions back then that were 3 on the floor that were originally 3 on the tree. 3 speeds manuals were pretty damn common back in the early 60s and 50s. Not so much as, you know, automatics and stuff. Manuals are pretty common, man. And a lot of people converted them to, you know, put the 3 on the floor. 4 on the floor was actually pretty damn hard to find even back in the early 60s. That was like really race stuff. People don't even realize that. I mean, you find it in a truck, usually it was 4 on the floor with the first gear was a granny gear, which gets you up to 5 miles an hour, but, you know. A little history there, because I remember this junk. Because I was immersed in it.